You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.